Hello, my name is Bob. I'd like to say a few words about WP Lead Pro, Joe Pixelcrafter's lead generation theme, and version 4.0. This theme is clean and sharp. It's flexible in its setup, mobile ready, and should work great for lead generation in almost any category. It has a nice large image slider up at the top that is easy to work with to swap out images or get it to rotate at whatever speed that you like. Alongside the slider is a really prominent big call to action panel, and on it there's a nice large phone number and some information you can put in there, and your AWeber can, or whatever autoresponder you use, is easy to incorporate right into that. On the inside, Joe makes the setup a breeze. He has a series of videos that take you from beginning to end, every step of the way. These videos are thorough, they're detailed, and if you know Joe, he's really enthusiastic. So these videos are fun to watch too. In that setup, he's got kind of a main theme options page that is organized. All the variables are listed in a nice organized way down the page. Each of those items has a little info button on them, so if you need a little bit of information, the size of an image or something about a file, it's right at your fingertips. You don't have to go looking for it. So that's a great feature. As far as Joe's support, he is terrific. If you have a question or some need and contact him, he responds right away. He wants to make sure you're satisfied that whatever the issue was is fixed, or that it's clear and what needs to be done. And then he wants the feedback too, so that he can improve the theme for future versions. So I highly recommend the theme. I think it is effective for lead generation. I believe you'll like working with it, and I know you'll like working with Joe. Thanks for your time.